Okay, let's start looking at the normal, healthy airway and how oxygen enters the respiratory system, enters the bloodstream, and carbon dioxide leaves the bloodstream and goes into the respiratory system and gets exhaled. So let's start with the right ventricle. So blood coming from the right ventricle, getting pumped out of the right ventricle, is coming through the pulmonary trunk to the right pulmonary artery and left pulmonary arteries, and going through blood, deoxygenated blood that is high in carbon dioxide content, is going through pulmonary arterioles and pulmonary capillaries. So here's pulmonary capillary, very rich in CO2. So because there is a higher concentration of carbon dioxide within the pulmonary capillary than within the alveoli, there's a gradient here. Carbon dioxide will diffuse from the pulmonary capillary into the alveoli and then will leave through the bronchioles, bronchi, out through the trachea, and be exhaled. On inhalation, atmospheric oxygen will be brought in down through the larynx, through the trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, to the alveoli. And now we have a high concentration of oxygen within the alveolar space, low concentration within the capillary space. So oxygen will undergo simple diffusion and diffuse down its concentration gradient from high to low and enter the bloodstream. And will enter the capillary, which will then become a pulmonary venule, pulmonary vein, and will dump into the left atrium.